Let me tell you a little bit about my story. My career in mortgage has not been relatively long. It's been 8 years in total. I did not work for a retail bank prior to get into the business. As a matter of fact, I wasn't in mortgage at all. In 2012, when I got into the business, I didn't even understand what a 1003 was. That's a loan application, right? Didn't know how to fill it out. I had to teach myself the business from the ground up. No mentors in the business, no guidance, no family members that had previously done mortgage. In 2012, I just noticed, we were coming out of the financial crisis. I noticed that everyone in the business was running out of there like a burning house. They were running out of mortgage like it was a burning house. And me, having the personality type that I have, wanted to run into the house, right? Because it's burning. So I've always been that individual to kind of find and look for opportunity. Of course, I knew mortgages had to come back. They are the lifeline of the U.S. housing market. So why not get into this industry? Now, my background previous to this was in finance and IT. So I was able to bring over a lot of crossover skills that helped me in mortgage. So I don't want to give the impression that somebody could just get in then in the first 18 months become extremely successful if they were to try to do it on their own. A lot of what I learned in my previous jobs, I was able to apply in mortgage. And that's one thing that I'm extremely happy about, that those crossover skills really did pay off for me. So that's something to think about as well. Think about what you've previously done in your life, what skills you have that can help you be a better mortgage loan practitioner. Now, as I got into the business, I saw opportunity. Not many people were online. Everyone hated the online sort of like atmosphere. I embraced it. And the truth of the matter is that's what made me unique in a sense. It wasn't the fact that I have some exceptional sales skills. I didn't know how to sell at all, and I was actually kind of shy. Right? I've come out of my shell a lot being in mortgage, but naturally, I'm kind of a shy person. Never start up the conversation within a group, but mortgage helped me kind of like get out of that. So if we're going, first year, second year, I'm kind of like learning the business in the first 6 months, 8 months. And then the online sort of generation of leads was extremely successful for me. And I saw an opportunity to get outside of my normal geographical area, like a lot of people work. And I started to buy leads in Southern California. I'm in the Bay Area. Then shortly after that, I was like, wow, this really works. I'm going to apply for a license in Oregon, in Washington, Colorado, Texas, Illinois. And I started to add on these different licenses, which increased my market area and capacity to do loans. The internet had made it so I could go out and get in touch with anyone, anywhere.